I am Lady Miss, and then I will tell you about the experience I had with my family when visiting the spa, the viewpoint in Capitanejo Santander, where we did different kinds of activities, such as going to the amusement park and also snowing, the most emblematic place of the place like extreme sports and the excellent weather. On the other hand, the quality of the people is nice, as well as the guides in charge to indication recommendations to take in account with enjoying a weekend stay in such a beautiful place. Therefore, on a personal and family level, I recommend visiting Capitanejo Santander, as it is an appropriate place to share with family and to live the daily routine and overwhelmed as day like this was a unique experience of which memories and sincere family sharing and more. My son had with fun and had a happy time eating, lounging and playing with an iguana caged Lolita.